Olympic Games the India is the round the semi-final India players Manipuri player India international Olympic successful discipline higher successful discipline integrity consistent
Jika district sigi masana sigi damata sigi orang sida badminton malam sigo mesti official poina kita langgar balik. Yang orang sigi damata
to the organizing committee and host of this first Dhana Memorial Badminton Tournament, because we know that at this juncture they are taking such a good initiative which may bring a positive environment and atmosphere and a message in our district. As we all are aware that today, as a part of this opening ceremony of this badminton tournament, we all are here to observe the spirit of competition, camaraderie, commitment, discipline, teamwork, and also true spirit of sportsmanship. There are lots of things we can learn from the sports. How to respect to each other's discipline, our determination, resilience, and how to live in solidarity with each other. We know that this is the one of movement from where people can learn a lot of things as a player, as an audience as well. Sports also help in our character building, fostering unity. The good thing is that if we learn from sports how to win with dignity and how to lose with the grace. I think both are winning and losing, it's having a great importance in our life, but we should learn how to learn from our mistake, how to learn from our success, so that we can move ahead for further success. Of course, in a game, if there is two teams, two players, definitely one will be win, another will be lose. But despite of this win and lose, we should focus on our performance, because the audience which are going to have observance about your game, definitely they will ensure about your commitment, your potential, your dedication about the work to be recognized. Your dedications, hard work will shine brighter than your opponents. You may win or lose, that is a different thing, but you should play with from your core of heart, and you should show the camaraderie and the respect to your opponent players, which will bring definitely a good message and a positivity in this fall itself. To the organizers and the host of this program, I would say your hard work and honest judgment and of course tireless efforts will certainly ensure the success of this event. Last but not the least, let us also create an unforgettable experience, fostering unity and a healthy competition. May the best team, best player win, but at the end I would say let's all emerge victorious in the true spirit of sportsmanship, which may be applied in our personal life as well.
I wish all the best to the organizer, the participants, and the supporter, and all the foreigners. Other than that, Olympic Games Olympic Games the India is league round hand around final semi-final India players Manipuri player India international Olympic level successful matang sida mayamna kari mo haya kanga ahoyi deputy commissioner hayo discipline hayo hai aduna discipline hayo se ana wari adi samana sari mina yamna maru ko ni khanda adu lu ta kanda yamna prithivida successful go missing kana ma haya ka mo yamna discipline lai ba integrity lai ba consistent ba aduma aroi nataka niyo ko aduna akoyi ngasigi tournament asidasu akoyi anariba player adigi bawok mayamna maruoiba discipline haibase akoyi angasinga playersinga ahansinga discipline layaba discipline haibase akoyi samasasida lako orsamo haibai leader
कोई पॉपुलर गाड़ी कागे दिंदा आंखों तक तो ना नसी कसेना कोई पॉपुलर वाहन नसी अपन दुरी स्थान को नजर हम प्रोवाइड होते बा अदर ऑन ड्रिवा स्पोर्ट सर्विस जो अदर प्राइमरी में पर रेगुलर में बा और मैं तो स्थान को तो बसिना ये रखी है बैक टू अदर फादर में पार्टी वकल जो मिशन यार काम का वो स्पॉन्सर में हम खुद ही यार काम करने से तो ना हमें ऐसी पापू नहीं तो मतलब yang salah itu semua tiba tiba kan kesini dia kan disiplin dah yang di masa saya kerja dah kalau membayar macam sport ini kalau kesini jadi tinggal berikan dan asing itu oleh karena itu tidak laku itu tiba kalau sampai apa yang kesini pesan nasi bagus sekali benar-benar kerana penjara kualitas dan nanti nasi itu dua orang nasi bagus sekali atau makan tahu yang dan nanti kata dia itu jadi kalau saya nak mengambil nama itu bukan kerana sila mereka itu orang tahu lagi jadi orang berusaha orang kan sila lagi juga cara waktu ini so cara bahasa bersih bukan kerana orang dan sila mana pun lesson juga sekolah pada yang boleh terjang tadi saya waktu sih kerja ayo orang sih kata sih
Okay.